The male reproductive system. Learning points. State the key areas of the male reproductive system. Describe the role of each part of the male reproductive system. Explain how sperm and urine are moved around the system. Role of the male reproductive system. The key role of the male reproductive system is to produce sperm cells in the testes and release them inside a female. If a sperm cell successfully reaches an egg cell and fertilization occurs, an embryo will be formed. The embryo will develop into a baby over the course of a pregnancy. The male reproductive system is controlled by hormones. 1. Penis. The penis is used for both urination and sexual intercourse. It is made of spongy tissue and blood vessels. It also contains the urethra, which sperm and urine pass through to leave the body. 2. Testes. The male reproductive system has 2 testes. The key roles of the testes include making millions of sperm cells and hormones. The hormones produced in the testes impact the way a male body develops in puberty. 3. Foreskin. The foreskin is a retractable fold of skin which covers the end of the penis. 4. Scrotum. The scrotum is a bag of skin which contains the 2 testes. 5. Urethra. The urethra is a hollow tube which transports urine from the bladder to outside the body. It also transports sperm. 6. Sperm duct. The main role of the sperm ducts are to transport sperm away from the testes, where sperm is made. 7. Glands. There are a number of different glands in the male reproductive system. They produce fluids to mix with the sperm which supply the sperm with nutrients and help regulate urine flow, e.g., the prostrate gland. 8. Bladder. The bladder temporarily stores urine in the body. It helps expel urine from the body by sending nerve signals to the nervous system, which tells the brain that you need to go to the toilet. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.